Hello, and welcome back to another video. So if the lighting looks any different, that's because I have a Mountain Dog lighting kit thing for photography. So I'm hoping that it gives a better clarity to my skin and just a better clarity overall to how I actually look. I was using a regular desk lamp with an LED light. And so hopefully this looks better. But anyways, let's talk about this video that's coming up. So in this video, we're going to be, I'm going to be showing you how to fully cleanse, fully descale, fully fix your broken dishwasher from hard water buildup. So basically, in this video, I'm going to show you a $3 or less trick on how to not only fix your dishwasher, but how to maintain it over time to never have a hard water buildup that will completely destroy said dishwasher. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video and we'll talk at the end. Alright, so you're going to want to get your distilled white vinegar, you're going to want to get a measuring cup, and then you want to make sure your dishwasher is completely empty. And then make sure there's no soap in it. You don't need any soap for this job. But go ahead and find the rinse only section on your dishwasher and set it to that. After the vinegar has been poured in, it will then put water into your dishwasher and it will begin to fill up, and then it'll do the rinse. Now you need to stop it before it drains out that vinegar. So you're going to want to come over here, and I use this lever on, this is an older dishwasher. I use this lever to stop it, and then you're going to want to spin it all the way back around and then start it again on rinse. That way you're maximizing that vinegar in your dishwasher. So the more you do it, I would suggest like do it 2 or 3 times. It's gonna take probably, depending on your dishwasher, it's gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes. So you need to be standing by while you do this. Every dishwasher is different. Yours might have buttons on it. They all should have a rinse only section on it. So look for that and figure out how to stop yours. Some of them you just pull it and it stops. But also if you want to do daily maintenance or maintenance on each wash, you can use a half a cup of vinegar poured in the bottom and then start your dishwasher like normal. So what'll happen is and also, you know, start it like normal. So put in your pods and your liquids and all that. Start it like normal, and what'll happen is water will run in there, and it'll blast all your dishes and your dishwasher. All the nozzles will be cleaned with vinegar, and then it'll very quickly drain that out, and then it will fill with water, and then it'll do another blast. And then it'll add the cleaning packet, the pod, the dishwasher pod, and that will then remove any of the vinegar smell. So you don't have to worry like, oh, is it going to smell bad? It's not going to smell bad. And your dishes will come out super clean. Vinegar is phenomenal on glass. And yeah, so you can do that once a month. You can do that every single wash. I do that occasionally. I would say every other month I'll start hitting it pretty hard with vinegar in each wash just to maintain a solid dishwasher for the entire year. That way you don't have to do an insane, you know, heavy amount of vinegar to destroy the hard water. So that's that. All right, there you go. That was the video. Hopefully that helped you out. If it did, definitely like and subscribe down below. I'm trying to build up my channel right now, so anyone who subscribes and likes, I love you forever. So once again, I thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.